how to connect Nintendo Switch 2 to laptop. So there are a few ways for you to do this. So if you aim to record or stream your gameplay, what you can do first is to connect your Switch 2 to dock and plug the HDMI cable into the capture card's input. Plug the capture card's output into your laptop via USB and then open OBS or your preferred software. Add a video capture source and select the capture card. You'll now see your Switch gameplay on your laptop screen. Now, if the case is you want to transfer screenshots or videos, what you can do first is go ahead and open your Switch. Head over to your album and then select the media you want to transfer. Choose send to smart device or send via USB and then connect your Switch to your laptop via USB-C cable. Access the files to your laptop's Files Explorer. Now, if you aim to use internet features, you can connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network for remote play if supported in future updates, or use cloud saves via your Nintendo account. And that is how you can basically connect Nintendo Switch 2 to laptop.